guys, what's up? Today we are going to play Minecraft. In this video I'm going to show you the house tour of my new villa. This villa I constructed it 2 days back. So I thought that this video I should dedicate about this villa. And today in this video I'm going to show you the house tour of my new villa. So let's get started, friends. So in the starting we can see our living room, friends. Over here I have placed some carpets and this carpet looks so nice to our living room, and this looks very awesome, friends. Let's close the door so it will prevent that the sheep and the buffaloes will not enter the house. So this is the center table, and I have also placed some evil pumpkin. This pumpkin is not for fashion, this is for lighting the house. So I have also placed a torch in the center of the table. So this is the atmosphere of our living room, friends. By the way, this is a 3-storied villa, friends, so it will be huge. And I have also placed some glass panels over here which looks very attractive and awesome, friends. And these are the stairs to go to the second floor, friends. And I'll show you the second floor too. And I have placed triple size bed, friends, over here and over there too. And I have also placed the evil pumpkins over here which will light the house and will look very awesome, friends. And I have also placed some paintings over in the walls which looks attractive, and I have also decorated my house using some garlands which looks very awesome. Actually, this villa I constructed it for about 20 minutes. This villa took me about 20 minutes, and the experience for constructing this villa was very awesome, and I like this experience very much. So let's get into the third floor, friends. Let's open this door. So here I used to keep my sheep and the buffaloes, and this is like my farmhouse over here. And I always close this room with a door to ensure that the sheep does not comes in another floors. I think they have ran off, I think. Yes, they are out of this room, so now it will be a really great mess for us. Okay, I think they have went in the first floor. Let's go down, friends, and check out whether they are there or not. Okay, they are not visible over here too. I think they have disappeared out of the game. This is impossible, friends. I don't know where they have ran off. So here I used to keep my all sheep and the shepherds over here. And to make this attractive, I have placed some artificial grass over here which will look like a farmhouse. And I like my house very much. So okay, let's go to the, I have created a mess, friends. Let's go to the menu and I select the glass panes and then keep it back to its position, friends. So let's select the glass panes. Okay, now I have selected the glass panes. Okay, now it's done, friends. Now let's go back to the villa, out of the villa, friends. Now we'll go out of the house, out of the villa, and see the exterior, friends. This is going to be very awesome, friends. As you can see, I have placed many marbles over here. This looks really awesome, friends, and I have also placed some evil pumpkins in out of the house which will enlighten my house. and the name of my villa is Villa of Gamers. This name is pretty awesome, friends. So let's get into the top floor and see the top view of this house. So it's not special. I have not placed some pressure plates. These are just marbles. So this is my first villa, friends, and I liked my villa very much. So see you in the next video, guys. Please comment me down below that whether I should make the gameplays of Minecraft 2. If yes, please type yes or no. So friends, see you in the next video. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel now. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. And smash the like button also, friends. This motivates me for making new sort of videos. So in the next upcoming video, I can come with another flight or any Minecraft video. So just keep your patience and check out for the next videos.